Kris Aquino at Boy Abunda nag-reunion sa Amerika. Masaya nag-update ang Queen of All Media, Kris Aquino, sa pagdalaw sa kanya ng King of Talk, Boy Abunda. Ibinida ni Kris na personal na nasaksihan ni Boy ang gamutang pinagdadaanan niya at halos hindi umano ito kayaning pagmasdan ni Boy. Binanggit din ni Kris na nakiusap din ng interview ang batikang reporter na si Jessica Soho at dito'y sinabi ni Kris na ang lahat ay impromptu o hindi pinaghandaan habang si Vice Governor Mark ang nagbibideo at ang anak na si Bimbi ang nagtatanong. Ayon pa kay Kris, kahit hindi humingi ng anuman si Boy, ay binigyan niya ang buong interview dahil sa laki ng utang na loob niya dito. Nagpasalamat din si Kris sa mga Batanggenyo sa pagpapahiram kay Vice Governor Mark at sinabing uuwi na ito sa Pilipinas pagkalipas ng ilang araw at babalik sa araw ng Pasko kasama ang mga anak nito. Sa huli, binati niya ang karawan ni Boy na aniya ay kanyang kapatid na may hawak ng kanyang mga sikreto. Abangan! Seriously, it was a heartwarming reunion. Boy freaked because I needed a shot while he was here. And he really hates needles. Nagkwento pa lang ako ng pinagdanaanan kong mga treatment at yung at least 18 pieces of vitamins, supplements, as well as medicine to help prevent my migraines and protect my liver because of my chemotherapy, and of course my antihistamines. Parang the whole 3 hours Boy was here, he was stopping himself from crying, pero bumigay din siya talaga. And with my sincerest apology to at KM_Jessica_Soho, who was also in town and had asked if it was possible to give her an interview. It was all impromptu, using just my iPhone, with at Mark Leviste being our cameraman, and Bim asking the questions. Boy never asked for anything, pero sa laki ng utang na loob namin sa kanya, the entire time he managed me for my endorsements. As long as it was with my sons, his commission was only from my 50%. Buong-buo pa may 2 yung talent fee. Lugi nga ako kasi yung 32 to 35% na tax sagot ko. Bilin yun ng ma'am. Binigay ko ng buong-buo yung medyo naputol ng ilang beses na footage. Hindi namin pwedeng pagalitan dahil hindi naman siya DOP. Maraming salamat sa mga Batanggenyo sa pagpapahiram ng inyong Vice Governor. But in a few days, babalik na siya sa Pilipinas at sa Pasko kasama ang 3 anak niya na kaming lahat magsasama. Christmas is also his birthday. Happy birthday, October 29 to the keeper of all my secrets, the one who assured me that come what may, he'll be there for my sons, and the friend who until now fights my battles with me. To my other brother, I love you completely. #love love love. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.